Welcome to our first video of WordPress tutorial for users. In this video we will show you how to install the WordPress. Step 1. Download the WordPress installation package from WordPress website. Step 2. Create the database and database user. Log into your cPanel. Click MySQL Database Wizard icon under the Databases section. First, we will create a database. Enter the database name, and click Next Step. Second, we will create database user. Enter the database username and the password. Make sure to use a strong password. Click Create User. Third, we will add the created database user to the created database. Click the All Privileges checkbox, and click Next Step. Write down the values of hostname, username, database name, and the password that you have chosen. Note that hostname will usually be localhost. Step 3. Upload the WordPress installation files. First, from your cPanel, click File Manager icon. Second, upload the WordPress downloaded package to your root directory. Wait for your upload to be completed, then click Go Back. Step 4. Extract the uploaded file. Extract the uploaded archive file to your desired location within the root directory of your hosting, and rename the directory to your desired name. Step 5. Run the installation script. Run the installation script by typing the website final URL. If WordPress can't find the wp-config.php file, it will tell you an offer to try to create and edit the file itself. Select the website language. Add the database copy data, the database name, username and password. Run the install wizard. add the website title and create admin user to manage the admin panel. Log into your admin panel with created admin user data. Visit your website front end. Congratulations, your website installation is completed. In this video, you have learned how to install the WordPress. Watch next. How to prepare your WordPress website configurations. If you like our videos, like and share the video. And subscribe to our channel to watch our recent videos.